Hello everyone, I'm Ben H from the mountain of Switzerland, and today I show you some examples of my nude 3D shaped nude Merkaba. You see this is two pyramids. They are a bit shifted, and in the middle the edges is blended out, and this you can see a lot in this Merkaba ritual things. I think so. This is an esoteric way Merkaba or something. But it's not my style, these esoteric things, but I love it very much, this 3D sign and shape. And so I do that with Claude AI, this Merkaba nodes. And I like to show you this as example today. So we are here in Arena, but I changed now to Coollab itself, and for that we change it as here. And you can see what I have done here is I prepare a bit for these examples. So what I do first is three multi-selectors. I put it in here, and we stay in the first multi-selector. What I've done here is also I put it off the spout out. They goes to Arena because some of that uh, compositions what I have done in Coollab are very high powering for the GPU, and then we have problem. But if you talk out, make it inactive, the spout out, then it works fine. So also I can put it out, put it up a little bit bigger here. And here you can shift with this multi-select banks, three banks A, B, and C bank. I written also how it works here, and but I show you here. You can shift it by the selected ID. You must toggle on, and then in this first element you can shift. Now you can see it switched through that things, and this is a bit like what I have seen in a picture, and I remember me to this Merkaba 3D thing. Maybe I can show you what I have seen here. This one I have seen, and I remember me to this form, and I says me, yes, this must be possible to do also as a 3D shape for Coollab. And this is that version. What is problematic when you turn on spout, because the problematic thing is this node here. This is a very extreme node for the GPU, this 3D renderer. In the original, it has only this standard texture of Coollab, and this is really not a problem. What you have seen when you send it out via spout, this is really not a problem. So you must I think what you can do is, if you want to coloring that, then you can do it by a color ramp, and this is also not a problem if you put it on the spout. And you, yeah, when you put it on the spout, it's better you make it a little bit smaller, then they can save capacity, the GPU here. But then it's not a problem, it works very well. This is really not a problem. You see the frame rate is no problem. You have a very good aging and stuff like that. It's no problem for that. But now I want to show you the different presets what I have done in Coollab. So we're starting over us to this multi-selector what I have done, and I put it off again the spout out and make the bigger here, and I switched very fast through that we have not too long. Here is different color forms of that, also with this high-end texture. This makes also reflections, shadows, and ambient coloring systems and stuff like that. And then I put it a mask around, and so you have a clear background, transparent background, so you can mix it. And this is what I have shown you with the color ramp only, and this is what I have shown you with the poor default. This is the default preset of my. This is also a preset of this Merkaba, what is saved the preset in, but for this preset you need also a time node. Some of my presets needs also some little animation things, so you can show this here in my project, in my example project. Because of that, I also do this example project, and you can download it. This example project is for Spout, for the Coollab version 1.50 Spout in, and here you can see how I built that things out. But now we go back to the whoops. Here we are again, and so you must toggle that, and now you can shift it up and down. This is the absolutely main default, and this is also a preset what I have done. You can see this is the shifting point of the pyramids. I use that for manipulating. Also here is more extremely made it by a union pointing. You can see that then later. And here the same stuff. I also manipulate the transfer point of these two pyramids. The transfer point is an option of the Merkaba node. And you have also many axes where you can rotate the on the own just one of the pyramid, or two all together, these two together in the same time.